dark brown or graphite. Work behind the knitting. 1 single crochet in the double crochet of the round 2 behind a single crochet of the round 3. Chains 4. Skip next space. Repeat 3 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet. Total 4 single crochets, 4 chains 4. Dark brown or graphite. Work in the single crochet of the round 10. Two double crochets. Chains 2. 2 double crochets. Work 4 double crochets in the chains 4 space of the round 10. Repeat 3 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first double crochet. Total 32 double crochets, 4 chains 2. Dark brown or graphite. Work in the chains 2 space of the round 11. Two double crochets. Chains 2. 2 double crochets. Eight double crochets. Repeat 3 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first double crochet. Total 48 double crochets, 4 chains 2. Buttermilk. Start in any corner. 1 single crochet. Chains 3. 1 single crochet. Chain 6. skip 6 stitches. In the next stitch, work 1 single crochet, chains 2, 1 single crochet, chain 6, skip to the next corner. Repeat 3 times more. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet. Total 16 single crochets, 8 chains 6, 4 chains 3, 4 chains 2. Buttermilk. Start in any corner. One double crochet, 1 slip stitch and 30 stitch to the right. Three double crochets, two triples, one picot, two triples, four double crochets, one slip stitch in the third stitch to the left. Work 6 double crochets in the chains 2 space of the round 13. One slip stitch in the third stitch to the left. In the following corners, work 4 double crochets, 2 triples, 1 picot, 2 triples, 4 double crochets and 1 slip stitch in the third stitch to the left. Close with 1 slip stitch in the same stitch in which the first slip stitch was made. Total 16 triples, 56 double crochets, 4 picots, 8 slip stitches. Khaki. Work 5 popcorns separated by chains 1 between the double crochets of the round 14. 6 half double crochets back post. Chains 3. 6 half double crochets back post. Repeat 3 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the closing chain of the first popcorn. Total 20 popcorns, 48 half double crochets back post, 4 chains 3, 16 chain 1.